Hello. Welcome once again to Chat Hero. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the text element in the Bot Flow Builder. Now, we are in the Bot Flow Builder editor screen. To use the text element, just drag it from the Elements menu column, and position it next to the element you want to use it after. Like in this example, we'll position it after the start flow or reference element. You can also delete or clone the text element. To do that, just right-click on the text element and the Delete and Clone button will appear. Click the Delete button to delete, or click the Clone button to duplicate the element. Another way to get the text element is by right-clicking on the blank portion of the editor screen. Then, an element column will appear. Just click the text element to use it. Now, connect the text element to the previous element by connecting it to the next connector socket. To edit the text element, just double-click it. Then the element editor screen will appear on the left side of the screen. In the text editor screen, you will see some variables that you can use at the top of the content box. You have the custom variables. These are some variables that you created for custom user input. You also have the first name and last name variables that you can use for personalization. Click on the content box to input some text content. Type any text content you want. To add some variables, just click on the variables at the top that you want to add. Like for example, the first name variable. Then, a variable code will be added to your text content. Leave it as is. The system will automatically replace the variable value with relevant value in Messenger. You can also add an emoji to your text content to make it more conversational. To add an emoji, just click on the smiley icon on the top right corner of the content box, then choose an emoji icon you want to use by clicking it. To make it seem like someone is replying to the user in real time, you can turn on the typing on display. Then, set the delayed time for the reply. Once you are done with the text content, click the OK button to save it. Now, it's time for us to test the output of our text element. But before that, we have to name the reference element first. Then, we will create a trigger keyword for us to be able to trigger this flow. Now, let's save our flow and then we can test it. Let's go to the page and test our text element. I'll type in our keyword to test our flow. Now, the typing on display is in action. This is how a text element will look like in Messenger. As you can see, the first name variable is replaced by the actual first name of the person who messaged our bot. And we also see the emoji in action. Now that you know how to use the text element, it's time to use it on your own bot. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.